I'm thrilled. A couple weeks ago, I reported that I was booked 3 weeks out, and it has stayed consistent. I am just so happy. This system is working wonderfully.
The way that you have helped us with overall internet marketing, rebuilding our, oh my God, how you rebuilt our website has received so many compliments. The Book a Call has been one of the best things, one of the best add-ons ever for us. Clients love it. We love it. One of the things that we're finding is we tell people, oh, look, just book a call. And that won't count as your first conference, which is complimentary. That will give us an opportunity to find out if we can really help. So all in all, we're very, very happy with the results that we've had. I wish we'd have seen you guys and done something with you 2 or 3 years ago. I can only imagine where we'd be right now.
Friday, I signed up my most lucrative client to date. So my most premium fee, it was easily, twice of what I would have charged before I came into this. So that was awesome.
My share is that I was able this last month to take a 9-day vacation. I have never done that before. I've only been long weekends, and the numbers at the end of the month were still great.
Big moves. I went from 0 to 119 followers on Facebook this week, and I'm feeling pretty good about that. So also increased my LinkedIn reach by another almost 200 people.
Hey, I do have some good news. I'm officially profitable. Remember last week I was talking about the fact that I tracked the leads that were, or the income that was attributable to leads that I deemed IMS leads. So right now I'm at 33,800, which is more than I will spend in 12 months. So that's pretty cool.
I had a great week. I definitely had the most lead flow last week of any week I've ever had. So yeah, it was good. I had lots of calls and signed up a couple clients. And numbers have gone up, web traffic's gone up, so jumped over my second goal for page likes. So I'm just going to keep going. I
got 5-star reviews. Get my numbers straight there. So I'm really happy, and I'm all booked up for almost all of December. Yay!
That's great.
Things are looking great.
I spent the weekend doing absolutely zero legal work after retaining 100% of my clients last week, new clients. So it felt really good to have the high retention and then to just completely unwind. And I came to work this morning just recharged and ready to go and already more efficient than I usually am the first few hours of the day. So it's been a great weekend, and I'm ready and off to the races for a great week ahead.
So we just did our very first recording remotely. Did your whole webinar, your PowerPoint development, your presentation, and your recording without you having to drive anywhere other than go to your office. It definitely not fly anywhere. What are your overall impressions of this whole experience?
Well, it's a great process, and I'm just so pleased with the relationship we had a long relationship with your firm and the whole crew there, and it's just so comfortable talking to you all about this stuff because you understand it. And I guess not every lawyer is the same, but I think we're on the same wavelength, and it just makes the process really easy. And I've said before, my whole staff is just so impressed with everything we've gotten from you all, and very energized about the innovative things that you're helping us with to get through this really incredibly challenging business environment. So we're thrilled.
It's been about 10 years that I started working with you guys. And back at that time, I didn't have a website. So I need you to create a website for me. And, we just kept working together, building trust. Every time you made a recommendation that I followed and I saw a result, it opened the door to continue to do more things and continue to reinvest in the branding of my firm. And that went from, if you go through the years, right? Website, newsletters, blogs, then the mobile website, or however you call the responsive website, and then improving the website. And I would get great feedback from clients and people in the community that go on my website. And over the years, not only do you improve the look of it, but then I can continue to add content to it so that people in my community are like, I go to your website for answers, which is really like a wonderful, wonderful thing. You want it to be a resource to people. So basically, we've been working as a team, and I use your imagination and expertise to continue to keep me one step ahead in marketing.